Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of ASSMS IIT. I am Archana Ubade, Department of ENTC, ASSMS IIT. I am going to explain that is back EMF and its significance in the DC motor. So what is the back EMF? Actually in the generating action, when armature conductor coats the lines of flux and EMF get generated in the armature. In DC motor, after the motoring action, armature start rotating and armature conductor cut the main flux. So it is the generating action is exist in a motor after the motoring action. So there is a induced EMF in the rotating armature conductors according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. And this induced EMF in the armature is always acts as an opposite to the supply voltage. And according with the Lenz's law, we state that the direction of induced EMF is always opposite the causing producing A. So in this diagram, you can able to see over here, this is the back EMF which is generated in the armature, and this is the supply voltage which is applied to the armature, and this is the equivalent circuit of this armature. In a DC motor, electrical input is supply voltage. You can able to see over here, and this causes the armature current which is flowing through the armature conductor, and back EMF get generated due to the generating action. So that opposes the supply voltage. As back EMF is always opposes the supply voltage, so that is called as the back EMF. So here we can able to see over here the equivalent circuit of back EMF generated in a DC motor. So here we can able to see over here some back EMF equations. Armature current, that is equal to V minus EB divided by the RA, armature resistance. So back EMF equation is EB is equal to V minus IA RA. So in this way the back EMF gets generated in the DC motor. But this back EMF having some significance. Actually, due to the presence of this back EMF, DC motor becomes more regulating machine because it adjusts itself to draw armature current just enough to satisfy the demand of the load. So, basic principle of the back EMF, which is proportional with the speed of the motor. But in case, suppose suddenly the load on the motor that increases, at that time motor tries to slow down. So speed of the motor get reduced, due to that the back EMF is also decreases. So the net voltage across the armature that increases, and motor draws the more armature current. Due to this increasing the armature current, force experienced by the conductor, and hence the torque on the armature increases. The increasing the torque that is just sufficient to satisfy the increased load demand. So in this way, this is back EMF that having some significance in the DC motor. Thank you.